Hello everyone and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video I'm going to be unboxing, constructing and reviewing the Autonomous ErgoChair Pro in cool grey. As some of you may know, I featured the Autonomous ErgoChair 2 in previous setup tours, TikToks, Instagram posts, and it's a chair that I've highly recommended for quite some time. The Autonomous ErgoChair Pro is essentially a rebranding of the ErgoChair 2, so you can expect the same build quality, comfort and style as we've seen previously. The ErgoChair Pro is available in various colorways including cool grey as you'll see in this video, black, evergreen, black and white, red apple and baby blue, all of which offer a different aesthetic. Now the price can be quite startling at £479 or $500, but as someone who's using this chair for both work and gaming for an upsetting amount of hours each day, it is crucial that you have a chair that can be perfectly tailored to your requirements and even more importantly, forcing an ergonomic sitting position whilst maintaining incredible comfort. The ErgoChair Pro boasts being fully adjustable with its height, armrests, headrest, backrest, seat tilt and sitting angle all being easy to tailor to your personal height, weight and favoured sitting position. As well as this, the chair also supports up to 300 pounds of weight and has a flexible lumbar support to ensure the best posture and maximum comfort possible. Unlike a lot of leather gaming chairs, the ErgoChair Pro has a woven mesh backrest for optimum airflow, which is honestly extremely comfortable. The setup process is also simply laid out in the assembly instructions. I did manage to construct the chair by myself, but a second pair of hands would definitely make your life quite a bit easier. But it's also nice to know that all of the tools needed, including some spares, are supplied in the packaging. Also for the environmentalists out there, Autonomous claim to use 100% earth-friendly materials in the ErgoChair Pro. I started the building process by attaching each of the wheels to the base and dropping in the piston. I then moved on to attaching the armrests with the supplied screws, which was honestly the most awkward part of the entire process. Once the armrests were successfully attached, I quickly tested out their range of motion. You can slide the armrests forwards and backwards, side to side, and of course also adjust the height with the lever on the side to suit your preferences. Next up was to attach the heavy base mechanism to the underside of the seat, which was very straightforward. All you have to do is use the included tools and large screws to tightly secure the two together, ensuring of course you have it facing the right way. As you can see from the underside of the mechanism, there are plenty of levers and options available to you, but we will cover these later on in the video. Moving on, we then had to attach the seat to the backrest. Again, this is kind of awkward if you're doing this alone, but it's certainly not impossible. With the 3 screws tightly secured in place, the next step was to lower the constructed seat onto the base of the chair. To finish off the chair's construction, we simply have to drop in the supplied headrest and secure it with the 2 included screws, and that is it. I honestly think the Autonomous ErgoChair Pro looks great, not only for office style setups, but thanks to its slick frame, I also think it works great for gaming setups, whilst giving you much more control ergonomically than you'd get with generic gaming chairs. Speaking of ergonomics, you can adjust practically everything to be as comfortable as possible. That includes your seat tilt, back tilt tension, tilt angle, back recline, seat height, seat depth, as well as the armrests and headrest. Now it would be a bit confusing if I tried to explain which lever does what, so I'll leave a handy link to their guide in the description that does a better job at explaining than I can. One deal breaker might be that the seat only reclines to a 22-degree angle, but honestly the chair is so comfortable both in upright and any of the 5 lockable key positions that I couldn't recommend this chair enough. Having a comfortable and ergonomic seat is by far one of the most overlooked parts of any work from home office or gaming setup. Not only is it comfortable, but it can aid your posture whilst also fighting fatigue, improving circulation and reducing the risk of any back problems in your later life. Everything about this chair feels premium, from the quality of materials to the modern design and even the price tag. Unfortunately, at £479 or $500, it's sadly going to be way out of the budget for a lot of people. However, if you are willing to spend so much money on a quality ergonomic chair, then the Autonomous ErgoChair Pro is certainly worth a look. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel if you're new. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.